Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable audio recording for movies on the Sony A6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the section, to the camera section number 2, so this camera with the number 2 on it. And then we're going to go to the page number 2 and select audio recording. And here you can enable and disable the audio recording during movies. So off is the microphone will be disabled, and then on it will be enabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.